Today, I'm gonna show you how to do Cronbach's alpha. So Cronbach's alpha is basically a reliability test of your test, of your questionnaire, or well, you get the idea, I guess. So first in Cronbach's alpha, you need the total number of questions, the sum of variances, variance of total scores, and Cronbach's alpha. So basically, you need to count the variances first, which is like this. Let me just delete this, and this, and then we'll start over. So here you would just put equal sign, type var dot p. Don't forget the parenthesis, and then you just drag down from question 1, from subject 1, the subject 42, and then you press enter, and then you got it. And then you can just drag it like so, enter again, and then you got it. You got all the variances for all of the questions in each column, and now we just have to sum up the total, which is sum parenthesis enter. Oh, okay. So when you see this error sign, it just means that I didn't count like the subject, which is just the subject that you don't actually need to calculate. So what you just do again is just you drag it down, and then you got it. And here you can just do the same thing on put equal sign, type var dot p, parenthesis, and then drag down from the top till the end and enter, and then you're gonna get the total variances. So right here, for the total of questions, you just basically equal sign count a parenthesis, and then drag q1 till q5, or how many questions you have, and then you're gonna get the sum of it, or the total of it. Haha, funny. For the sum variances, you just basically need to calculate these, not the total, but only the variances from each question. So you basically equal sum parenthesis, drag sideways, enter, and then you have that. For the variance of total scores would be equal, wait, oh wait, okay, so basically the variance of total scores is this. You can just put it var dot p parenthesis, drag down total to here, enter, then you got it. And Cronbach's alpha is basically, here is the formula there, just like that. So L2 is this, L1, L4 is the purple one, this, and then you press enter, and then you get Cronbach's alpha. So Cronbach's alpha is literally just from 0 to 1 on how reliable it is. It can't be less than 0, it can't be more than 1. So judging from Cronbach's alpha, this questionnaire was quite reliable, seeing that it's 0.67. And there you go. That's Cronbach's alpha.